This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in Lakeview East, looking out over Belmont Harbor and Lake Michigan. Just a great view. It's going to be a lot of fun when the boats fill it in the summertime. The location is close to public transit. Lakeview East dining, nightlife, pretty much everything you're going to want to enjoy the best of Chicago. I'm at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive, and I've just met up with Max.
This is apartment 1301. Just a really cool one-bedroom apartment. As you saw, you just have this gorgeous view of the Belmont Harbor, and it's a really neat space. Wide open space, lots of room, pretty much anywhere you go. Great kitchen, love the updates there.
Pass through onto the living area.
Just a really nice sized living room too.
Another closet as we head toward the bath. Crisp, clean, white finishes, designer sink.
And this bedroom too, it's big. And of course, you can't complain about that beautiful view again of the harbor. Tons of closet space there, just a whole wall of closets really.
It's an enormous room, Max.
Absolutely.
Size of 2 bedrooms in many apartments.
Oh yeah. And yeah, so this is, as you can tell, it's just a really great apartment, really a special place. And it's a really great building too. It's dog friendly with 0 fees for pets. There's a fitness center, business center, on-site management office. Just a great place to live in a great neighborhood with some really cool apartments.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info